Alright guys, welcome back to Dark Ryu Studios, and today I have a review of this little Godzilla. I just got him the other day from Jersey Fest 2019 at the Troy Mc Devitt booth, and this is one of his little sculptures that he has for sale. Troy's an awesome sculptor. He's been sculpting for many years. I took his class last year at Jersey Fest, sculpting class. Learned a lot. Really good guy, and I saw this guy and I just had to have him. He was just so cute. I just had to have him. So this is a kit from Troy Mc Devitt. It's a resin copy, and it's very straightforward. It's really simple, but I just really love the attitude of. I mean, he just looks so cute, right? So this is him up close. And the detail on it is just really nice. Troy does an amazing job with his sculpts. I mean, it's just textured throughout the whole figure. And I just really love it. Here's his tail. So he's only a few pieces. He comes apart. His arms come apart. And I mean, the casting quality is just really good. You guys can see that. I think my camera's washing it out, but it's just really good. And that's one. This is his right arm, and I mean, look at all the little detail in his hand. I did clean up a little bit of the nubs. I guess he poured it from the spouts here to be able to fit them into the arms, but you guys are seeing it pretty much raw, what the raw kit that you would get. And I mean, it fits together really well. I mean, there's a very slight little seam line right there, but other than that, this side you could bear. I mean, it almost passed as just a line of the texture. This one I might have to fill up just a little bit, but also his tail. I think he'll take his back part of his back spikes come off first. Alright, what's the tail? Yeah, the tail comes off first. A nice big key. So it fits in really well. And his spikes on the back come off. And this is a Godzilla without his spikes and tail. But the detail that he sculpted in there is still, it looks really great. Nice big key in the back. Nice big key for the tail, and again, the detail is just really, it's a slight mold line going down, but once you give it a little bit of a sanding, it'll be fine. But yeah, this is a cool little piece. I'm not really big into the monsters and Godzillas and stuff. I mean, I like the show and stuff, but as far as the kits, they're not my biggest thing. But I really, when I saw this guy, I had to have him. See, even his little ear. He's just cute, man. He's just a nice little, maybe a cool little desktop, or maybe make a nice little diorama. I have these like little buildings that I had for like some of my Gundam models, and you know, make a nice little diorama or something. I don't know, but yeah, he's cool. But if you guys are looking to pick one up, hit up Troy Mc Devitt. I think it's Troy Mc Devitt Studios is the name of his website, and you should be able to pick one of this. He has a ton of different little sculptures like this. He has different like magnets and stuff. He has all kind of little trinkets that, you know, he hand sculpts himself, you know, and it's just a really nice little piece of art that he has. It's really cool. So anyway, so if you guys want one, go to Troy Mc Devitt Studios, and I'll see you guys at the next video. Remember, do it for the love, not for the likes.